So what you would do, again, hit your dustbin icon and we will have an ink light up. Said it's got a problem. So at this point, turn your printer off. Okay, and we're going to break the memory. When you saw me stutter earlier, I was just thinking, what's the best way to show you? Now, by pulling the power lead out, having no cartridges in, all the information that the printer's storing, you're breaking that, so you're clearing the memory. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how to initialize the cartridges correctly. And this is new to us as well. So there we go. Now let's turn it on. You saw it object to the cyan cartridge, and we're going to use that information and we're going to put the cyan cartridge in first. But let's just take it through its sequence. This is what I would have expected, the ink light. I expect it to come across now to the black, to the yellow, magenta and cyan, and they'll park up, which it's done. Now, what we will want you to do is put in the cyan cartridge and hit the dustbin icon. Black, yellow, magenta, and this time it's accepted the cyan. Well, for now it has. So now we're going to pop in the magenta cartridge. And it will stay part of, just tell us it's got an issue by lighting up. And it's done that. Not yet, it hasn't. Yes, it has. So we press that button again. Black, yellow, and it seems to have registered the magenta and the cyan. So now let's put our friendly yellow in, and we expect it to park over and it just give us a solid ink light. And it didn't let us down, so let's just, hopefully we're going to take it through one more time. And it's saying the black one's an issue. Pop the black in, hit our friend the dustbin icon, and what we don't want is it to stop and give us a, oh, we're away. What that's now doing is registering. We want no lights on and we want a solid light. And that's exactly what we've got. And that is how you initialize the refillable cartridges on a WF-2110.